Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the best NordVPN server. If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Go ahead and open up your NordVPN. As you can see here at the bottom, there's a list that will say recent or fastest. Okay, so you're going to want to click or select one of these servers as indicated. These ones are the fastest. All right, so as you can see here, I'm currently connected to the Philippines, the server of Philippines. Now let's say I'm going to connect to United States. Wait a bit, and as fast as that, you were connected to one of your United States server or states. Okay, so when you go ahead and click on all location right here, you can click on one country or region. For example, United Kingdom. You can click on this drop down and you'll be able to see the fastest server available for United Kingdom. Let's say Canada. Click on the drop down. And when you go ahead and click on fastest server, it will go ahead and connect you to the fastest server for Canada. All right. So that's basically that. That's how simple it is to choose the best NordVPN server. And when you go ahead and go to all locations once more, you go ahead and choose to use double VPN, obfuscated VPN, onion over VPN as well. So just go ahead and click on one or the fastest server available and you're good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.